Ela, kileche, kitalenteka. Bala. Kubua. Longola quiz language English.
Na ngiphiwe cheese. Uyabona mengomlungu wamomkhulu. Ubasi bela, uStevenis. Yamazi, basi wami Stevenis. Athi mina, Mon James, good morning. It may yes, James, come here. James, go away. James, fly, James. James, have nice day. Yeah.
Sibonene ba. Ngabe nguwe unogada walapha?
Cha.
Oh.
Hey, wena mfana. Ubandela.
Yanga nokubuze kahle wena baba ukuthi unogada walapha yini wena? Wathi wena awuyena.
Yo. Uyaphinda ngifundekele, Yini le?
Amehlo.
Kuwena izilonda nje. Ungabuza ibhasi ibhalo wabona ngiphoyisa la.
Awusuka. Awunaso nesibhamu. Bengimane ukuhlonipha nje mangithi unogada. Wena ngumantshikelana.
Uthini mina? Uthi umantshikelana imali yakho? Hayi. Hamba usindi yazwa.
Hi, James.
Mon Mrs. Ungathi hayi ngikubingelela.
Sorry, what did you say?
James.
Oh, yes, I remember, James. Where's Mr. Stevens?
In office with the secret.
James,
In office with the secret.
can I go through, please?
Akadluli Mrs.
Mfukeni, yintoni ngokukhala kakubi kangaka nje?
Ichawe. Ke practice selelo. Ba hopola khatsele ya khale e go ka hetsi. Ke ba go ra ke fika mono, ba habo mofu. Ba ele lori, le nna ke latlhetse. Mamela he hore. Selo sena se lwa.
Hayi Mfukeni, imbi lento uyenzayo. Ngiyaqala ukubona umuntu opracticela ukukhala emncwabeni. Yiyeke lento ayilungi. Zange yenziwe lento.
Baby, if we put that file in there. That's fine. More to the left.
Yes.
Okay, are you happy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes!
Hello, Mary. What's wrong?
John at the gate told me, and I see he was right.
He told you what? He is lying, whatever it is he said to you.
He told me that woman there is your secret.
My what?
Your secret.
I'm going to phone him at the gates and come and say it here in front of me. I'm going to bash him.
I am deciding to leave this place.
No, Claire, please don't go. I need you.
Mr.
Just
Stevens, just stay out of my way. I'm
prepared to
leaving.
double your salary.
Let
I'm
us go.
supposed to be a secretary,
we can work
not a
this out.
secret.
Well, your little secret is out,
Get
dear.
out of my way, please.
Hayi Mfukeni, uyabona le into yokukhensa nokudrayiva ayikho italente zakho. Wena inye into ufuneka uyenze. Funeka uhlale phansi ohlobo lihleli ngalo. Ya umane unqwala nje inhloko. Umane utepisha ngenyama. Uthi warda, yeah, neda.
Nna ke mofukeng no sheba hantle ga ke le fase ke bo ditatatatata tse tsao tseo ke ema nna tante ke kgole ro leng tate gao nke tlo le molo gampe universary
Mfukeng uzawukwazi ukuya emathekweni amathathu uye emngcwabeni wale girlfriend yakho ufike bulile emva koko ube sowujiva estokfelini emva koko uyoba yi-MC eThekwini elikhulu kwakhona
ga o tsebe gantle tšhawe ke yo kanonyana tsa tharo ka lojelele le nna 3 birds with 1 stone ga ke imesi morsbot
Ha! Hi! Hello, Mandonda Wakit!
Shirwani.
Hey! Hey! Mufukeni! Hey, kuyenzakala nebhanji.
Oh.
Uyisudu. Wajuruka kangaka nje umuhle kuyenzakalani.
e monna Shirwani ke re ka shekolela monna ke mokete wa semeke sa hadi mo o jetsa tšhawe
Mfukeng utheni bamfundi nyanyani uzakuba yi-MC
tšhawe go hela mona a o tlogela jealous down ena ya gago ke tlholwa ke
Come in.
Dumelang bontate.
Hello.
brati
Fuchs, e jetla.
re tsamaka
7 series re metse kantle.
le kutlwetse Seven series
Hey, ciao. Hey, mhlambe lo muntu lo ulokathi yena uya emapatini waphezulu kanti wenza ama down party.
Down party. Into nonto.
Awuyazi down party? Hey, party is for the downs. Kutsho ukuthi lento le itsho ukuthi mugidi wewaphansi.
Open the gate, please. I'm in a hurry.
Hey, where you taking motor?
Please don't waste my time. Just remove the bar.
Hayi, amphoyisa, ufuna ukusesha vula imoto.
You are wasting my time.
Boza, vula.
I'm in a hurry and I have to go.
Kwani ngiseshe, ngiyasebenza nami. Vula la, open.
You want me to open the boot? There's nothing in there. Please let me go.
Vula la.
You see, there's nothing in there. Are you mad?
Wena umedi, ngeke udlwe la. Wakayenza into ekutshela yona, vula la.
You want me to open the boot? There's nothing in there. Please let me go.
Hey, I search your car. Amphoyisa here, even bus. I search car bus Steven.
You want me to open the boot? See, there's nothing in there.
Abu. Ikuthenile lokho,
You are wasting my time. Please let me go.
Oh, uyatshontsha, uyisela. Utshontsha insizwa belungishisa. Ha, put him down. Hey, beke phansi, put him down. Okay, ngiyabuya sophendula ucingo. Hallo, Mkhize Spirit. You must do this. Hey! 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 How? How? Zabiti mzabelo kwithuma. How?
Hello. Hello. Why are you dropping the phone down on me?
You are so lying, Dick. You have not even called him. Now you say that he's dropped the phone because you dare not allow him to tell the truth here.
He is so rude. He has dropped the phone on me because he knows he has lied to you.
This is a cover-up. You just do not want him to expose you.
Hey. Ayingobela umlungu omkhulu, hey. Awe basi, nomkhulu. Le ntombazana sikulete. Take her lana we.
There you go again. What do you say now?
What does you mean, my secret? Is that what you said to my wife?
Oh, neem slowly aan. Like what? Usho ukuthini?
You told my wife I'm sitting with my secret here.
Hey, intombi yakho le, light letter is a sick lead.
You see, she even writes you love letters. Where are they?
There are no love letters. Of course she writes letters for me. She's my secretary.
Nakho-ke basi. Light. Secretly. Oh, umehluko lapho. Kuyawu kuyafana nje. All the same for me kufana nalokho basi.
Oh, Dick, I'm so sorry. I realized he made a confusion about the words secret and secretary. I wonder what Claire will think of me.
Oh, darling, it was not your fault either. At last, I know you are jealous about me.
Hawu, khabazela.
Wasizwa washeshe wafika.
Ukhona konakele yini?
Akukhulu kabi madoda. Uyayibona intombazane lena esebenzela ubasi, usiklidi lowa. Awu, angathi ubaleke nemoto lana. Hey, yamangena ecaleni ke manje.
Hawu, wabaleka kanjani umuntu efem ugadile?
Uyabona Mdondo, sigebengu lo kade akubona. Angithi ngikhuluma nakho la ngisesha imoto. Oh, nkini khala ucingo la. Ngithi mina himala, ngiyabuya. Thathani mina ucingo. Ithi hello, speak Mkhize la. Oh, ngiyabona imoto phela. Nathi yaphuma isihamba. Sokubalekile.
Hawu.
Hayi. Awukwazi lokho la Madonda. Hey, kulungile Madonda. Nami ngiphuthi bekhanga ngithatha imgodlana yami ngishawa utshani.
Hayi, khambe kahle khabazela.
Hey, ayicabeke Dondo. Isobonana ngokusa.
Yobonana.
Hayi, swale.
Are you sure you put your keys in there?
Yes, darling. No, I left them in the ignition.
What might have happened? No, dear, this is not the combi you were driving.
Where is our combi then?
Claire was supposed to use this one today. She might have taken yours.
Where are the keys to this combi?
I gave it to the security man. I will call him at the gate.
Hello.
Where are the car keys?
Okaki?
Yes.
Awubamba kancane. Hold it. Hayi. Shetweni. Bakhona. Yeah, here.
Bring him to the parking near my office.
Lungile. Okay.
Oh, there he comes.
What's this?
Khaki.
I said, where are the car keys? Are you deaf, man? Never mind. Where's that security guy who was on duty before you?
It's Mint James.
Yes, him. I gave him the combi keys this morning when I arrived.
Uhambe. It's gone. It's going.
Ka mkhathi obekunta ngokunxuse lapha mne wethu ukuthi ungihambisele lezi impahla lezi insimbi nje nalokhu ungiyisele kona ekhaya. Ngoba ngifisa ukuthi ngiyolungisa ekhaya. Manje bengifisa ukwazi ukuthi ke ungayimalini nje kukonke.
Ewu Nkomose. Ngizozama. Kodwa ngaphambi kwaloko ukuthi ngeke ngizwe isisindo bese ngikutshela ukuthi kuzoba imalini.
Oh, ayikulungile.
Awu. Hey, lena kuba ikhulu lamalandi. Aha. Uyezwa na uyasinda inesinda impela.
Kulungile akuqhubeke ngizwe.
Nalena ke sizwe. Hayi, nayi le kuzoba ikhulu lamalandi.
Kusho ukuthi ke manje seku
amakhulu amabili. Lena ke kuzoba u50 rand.
Leya ke.
Nayo 50 rand.
Awu kahle bo. Mkhathi kusho ukuthi manje seku amakhulu
amathathu
ke mathathu
300 rand.
Ngeke ngilunga.
Konjani
ngeke ngilunga awe imali engaka?
Lalela phela Nkomosa. Uyabona la endleleni nana ziningi ipenekopho. Ngenzela phela ukuthi noma ngabe siyavinjwa lapha endleleni kube khona oncanyane ngukhokhayo.
Phela lokho okwakho lokho akusho ukuthi ungakhokhelwa yimi lokho. Ngoba phela icala ulenzulazi. Ngeke ngilunge impela mkhathi hayi ke. Okungcono ungahlephula okungcono uthathe lokho kodwa ke ukushiye lokho.
Kulungile ke. Hayi ngizohlephula ngo20 rand.
Kusho ukuthi ke bese kuba ke
u280.
Oh, bantwana bakababa, awungeke. Ay. Nakhona lapha awungeke usehlele amashumi amahlanu nje kuphela.
Awu Nkomose.
Awu, mkhajwa.
Ingani umchunu uyakunika imali eyimbiza nje?
Noba kunjalo kodwa ke ngeke. Hawu into encane kangaka.
Kulungileke. Asithi 200 rand.
Hayi kulunge. So nje ungithathela ke ungangithathela nini ngoba ngifuna ukuthi ishayele impela sonto sezisekhaya.
Hayi. Kusasa lo usayo ngizothi abafana balethe imoto bese ngiyayithatha. Hayi
ngiyabonga ke mkhajwa. Kusho ukuthi sesobonana ke impela sontweni.
Ngisayi emsebenzini ke mina.
Yeah.
Ngizokubona.
Nangu nokhabazela. Awudlula ngapha khabazela.
Yebo Nkomosi.
Udlula ungibonise lapha. Ngithi ngicela unqumana lapho ukuthi angehlisele lezi zinto ziye ngasekhaya. Uyangincenza hayi indoda ayikhona. Bese buya lapha bheka emakhulwini amathathu. Hayi ngakhuza ngababazi akhabazela ngathi awungaye kulungu. Ungcobe senalo iveni lakhe lobeka sathathele lezi zinto ube ngasibizi kanje. Unquma lo sengiheke. Ngeke.
Washo naphi ngqobo Nkomosi?
Angimazi ngiyabona mhlambe khona okonakala emotweni yakhe.
Lo nto madoda.
Hayi khona. Kodwa khabazela usho. Basanathi kodwa umoya wakhe umuhle nje indaba.
Nkomosi. Okabelungu lokho. Kuyabheda. Akusazi isingisi. Kuyasikhuluma nje kodwa ayikhona ke sikashela.
Phela bafanele khabazela. Uyazi ukuthi abelungu nabo behlukene inhlobo eziningi. Kukhona amabhunu, kukhona amaPutukezi, kukhona amagiriki, kukhona amaJuda njalo njalo.
Nkomosi. Ngisho mina mangizila kaJoji. Njengalaba nje basefamily yakithi emsebenzini obasi Steveness.
Hayi phela bafanele. Hawu, ungazi usho labo. Angithi phela ibela balazi, bazi umnqumo bheka. Abafani naye. Thina sisikhuluma nje isizulu sasilelebele. Bona ibela do balazi.
Bona. Hawu Nkomosi.
Yini manje?
Ibhadi lami ngempela namhlanje.
Yini kwenze njani?
Nkomosi, ngabe nokho yabasemsebenzini.
Phuthuma. Baphuthume bahambise. Thuma. Phuthuma impela.
Emkhathwa. Ngisiza mkhathwa konakele la.
Kwenze njani manje?
Kwenzeka iphutha mkhathwa ngihamba nokho babasomkhulu Steveness. Maye mufika lapha kumacingwana. Nimtshela ngishayele efemini eVelgate ukuthi sengisendleleni nabo khena apha kumina.
Ngisize.
Uyayazi inombolo macingwana bakumina okay. Ngisize ngiyabonga. Ungenzeleke ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Steveness. Yini kona lokho?
Yabona ke mshana, ningakhathazeki. Kuzokwehla mina amathupha ngizolungisa leyo ndaba. Eningakwenza mana kancane. So ngobe ngikuthini. Kulungile. Hawu. Wena ngizobulundela nje kwenze njani?
Hawu mnumzane. Umkhizi ungithola la ngaphandle lana.
Hawu. Akalimala kakhulu.
Lutho. Umkhize lana uthi ngize la kuwe. Kodwa ujika lapho ukhuluma ngokhiye. Ukhuluma ngoba Stevens, ukhuluma ngefame. Angisamtholi kahle mina.
Mana kancane mfana. Mina ngena kanjani efemini kaMkhize?
Uthi umkhize lana ngize la kuwe. Wena uthatha ucingo, ushayela uba Stevens, umtshela uthi yena uyeza nokhiye.
Mina ngibathinte efemini kaMkhize. Ngatshela ukuthi bamnikeze ukhiye.
Akunjalo mnumzane. Uthi wena ukhulume noba Stevens, utshela uba Stevens ukuthi yena umkhize uphethe okhiye basefemini.
Ngiyakuthola ke manje. Umkhize ufuna mina. Ngishayele efemini yakhe ngibatshela ukuthi uyeza nokhize. Hayi ke.
Wemadolo. Senizwile njengalesiphoko somlungu esihamba lapho wasitela sikubuza ngekhanda laso.
Mama wenyo. Wasitusa phela thina. Hayi, samthula.
Uzosizana ukuthula kwakho. Ngoba nawe uMasilana naso sokusithi, "Where is my cup?"
Hayi. Manje mawuthi aliko ke.
Busubeni baqala uvalo yemadoda. Yini thuswe yini?
Hayi. Baba Makisa. Thula.
Hayi bamkhize, akuyivanga lento sibaliselwa ngumanyoni. Uthi kukwisipoko sebhulu esithi Waar is your kop? Waar is my kop?
Ubayena lo, uhlala kuphi ndawo?
Hayi ba umkhize. Sukuthetha. Uyawufa.
Hayi. Nomshayeli sekudasa ngiphiliza ikhanda.
Hayi madoda, sokuhlwile. Ithi nami ngibhekise ngasekhaya. Uqaphele kuphela. Hey, Dula we. Baba Makisa, uyabona le muntu le. Usukile la wathi uyemngcwabeni. Beka udwakhile kanjani? Uzofuna kufaka umhlanzi wakho lapha phakala.
Ayi, uyabona sibani? Uma amafoni sebenje bemnandi. Ngeke, ngiyolala mina ngeke futhi ngene enkulumo. Hayi,
Baba Makisa, manje unishiyani yedwa. Hayi, suka la. Hayi. Hlala la phansi. Ewe.
Iti virus may kop.
Kaya khulu lapha.
Naman bikon.
Kaya khulu.
Asambe chawo.
Asyam.